Hey, what's up, Axie Infinity Coin? This time, Axie is completely on the trending and crypto market, and the price is totally going to be very, my friends. Price is totally increasing now. So therefore, as you can see, the price is very high now. The highest price, as you can see, my friend, 81.41 USD dollar, and the current price of Axie Infinity as 78.01 USD dollar. So this is absolutely very easy for Axie Infinity. They will again hit now 81.41 USD dollar because the price is very fastly increasing now. So therefore, as you can see, 210.45% they will get a profit in last 1 month, and I think this is very huge jump, my brother. You know, every cryptocurrencies will moving upward in this month, but not like Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity will jump, my friends, like a rocket, and definitely, especially in those days, my friend, Axie Infinity, one of the unique coin. To this is very good for short time investing. Absolutely, and very short time they will give you a profit, but the price is very high, so therefore this is not good, my brother, for especially new holder, because this is there is a very risky coin. This is very risky coin, my brother. So kindly, if you are new in a crypto, so don't invest in Axie Infinity. But if you are old, so I will advise you, my brothers, to this is very good to get in a very short time, my friends, they will make you millionaire now. So please don't miss this chance. If you have any plan to invest for for a long time, so I think without any time invest now. But if you have any plan to invest for a short time, so please, my friends, you need to be ready for a risk first of all, and absolutely you need to be active in crypto. So thanks for watching Axie Infinity. Hope you understand something new in this video. Please like video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative and urgent updates videos.